Gypsum is a versatile material that can be used to create a variety of arts and crafts at home. Here are some ideas. Sculpture. Create figurines. Use a mold or carve directly into the gypsum to create figurines of animals, people, or abstract shapes. Make masks. Mold gypsum around your face to create a unique and personalized mask. Sculpt decorative objects. Create vases, bowls, or other decorative objects from gypsum. Painting. Paint on gypsum boards. Gypsum boards can be used as a smooth and sturdy surface for painting. Create textured effects. Add texture to your paintings by using gypsum paste or by pressing objects into the wet gypsum. Molding. Make molds. Create molds from gypsum to cast other materials, such as clay or resin. Create plaster of Paris casts. Use gypsum to create plaster of Paris casts of hands, feet, or other objects.